Welcome to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel. Today we're taking you to meet a true beast on wheels. Not just a motorhome, but a moving fortress that blends rugged power with high-end luxury. This is the Dodge Expedition Motorhome, built for those who refuse to compromise on adventure. Just look at that aggressive front fascia, the bold Dodge logo, heavy-duty bumper, integrated winch, and a roof-mounted LED light bar that can turn night into day. Its six-wheel drive configuration and massive off-road tires make it the king of any terrain. Whether you're tackling snow-covered mountain passes or the endless sands of the desert, the high ground clearance and reinforced suspension ensure you can go anywhere without hesitation. And that extended camper body, it's not just about utility, it's a statement of style. With sharp lines, a premium blend of matte and gloss finishes, and panoramic side windows that give it a futuristic expedition vibe. Step inside and you'll find where adventure meets comfort. The spacious living area is wrapped in warm walnut wood paneling, anchored by an L-shaped premium leather sofa with diamond stitching that feels like a luxury lounge. Whether you're parked in the Arctic or the desert, a large panoramic window turns nature into your personal cinema. Snowy peaks, lush forests, or endless horizons right outside your seat. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped, featuring a marble countertop, stainless steel sink with a matte black faucet, LED-lit induction stove, and a built-in fridge. Everything designed to be both functional and stylish. Recessed LED ceiling lights and under-cabinet ambient lighting create a cozy yet upscale atmosphere, while smartly integrated storage keeps all your gear safe and organized. This Dodge Expedition Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. The ultimate blend of freedom, power, and comfort. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button, share this video with your adventure-loving friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next luxury motorhome showcase. Adventure awaits. See you on the next ride.